Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a DIY name tag. So without any further ado, let's get on with this video. So here I just drew out my name in bubble letters. You can use your name as well, or you could write anything else you want. Now you just want to go ahead and trace out your name or whatever you wrote with a black marker. Now inside the letters, I'm going to go ahead and do a design. It doesn't really matter what design you do, but I decided to do this one. Now I just want to continue doing the same design over and over again. So I am going to do the same design for the rest of the letters too. So now I took my red marker and I traced out my design, and I decided to do a rainbow pattern. Then I just went ahead and colored it in with my marker, but you can also use pencil crayons to color it in as well. So here is the completed rainbow name tag, and I hope you guys go ahead and try it out as well. Of course, you don't have to do the exact same design or the same colors. You can make up your own design as well. So here is the completed name tag. So this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to try out making this name tag. So see you guys in my next video. Bye!